Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I'm a pediatric physical therapist, and I'm with Alexis Sanderson. She is a 9-year-old with spastic quadriplegic cerebral palsy, and she can walk with 2 hands held or trunk held. She can sit independently relatively safely. If she walks in a walker, she needs help to steer, and she cannot stand on her own. One of the things we work on is moving from sitting to standing with minimal support. So I'm just going to help at her knees. Alexis, can you stand up and go get that piano and play it for me? Can you stand up? Go get it. Stand up. Go, 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 go. So I just tractioned her knees forward a little bit. Oh, is it on? Mm-hmm. Can you get it? Uh-huh. Play something. Is it not playing? Oh, here, let's sit back down. Do you remember how to make the song play? One of these buttons over here somewhere. Whoop. It's like, let me see it. Let me see. Oh.
Oh, we didn't leave that on.
Okay, come on. Go up and get it. Uh-huh. Now, you see she's wanting to go backwards to stand up, but she needs to lean forward to stand up. You ready? Come on up. Come forward and go get it. Stand up. Let's stand up and dance. Go get it. Traction that knee forward and don't let her lean back to get up. In order to stand up, you gotta have nose over toes. Nicely done. Here, sit back down and we'll change the song. Sit back down. And I'm just cueing her with my fingers to sit back down. Let's go. Let's go. All right, not backwards, Alexis. You gotta lean forward to stand up. 1, 2, 3, come on, let's go. Nicely done. Here I am. This is where a PT is, sometimes under the piano. So it's an easy game to work on sit to stands with minimal support. Hi. I hope this is helpful for you, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.